My name is Courtney Simpson. I am an inbound operative here at Paragon, and I have worked here just over 1 year. No real day is the same because there's always something different. I've constantly just at times been thrown into something, but to be honest, that's what's so fun about here. I used to be the person who needed to know everything about something before trying it, and here it's just, I have a lot more confidence in just, you've got the support beside you, try it, we'll get through it. So I really enjoy that, and that's kind of how a day goes. I do love training new people because the last thing I want them to do is be really intimidated like I was. And it's not because of the people, it's a lot of information like any new start to a job is. And I felt so safe and protected with so many people I could name who held my hand throughout the entire process. And when they thought, you're good, jump. I wanted someone else, I wanted to be able to do that with someone else. I've made some of the greatest friends I've ever had working here, and that wasn't my intention coming in. I'm very much a keep everything separate and compartmentalised. And now all of a sudden it's, okay, I'm a totally different person from where I was a year and a half ago. I absolutely love it. So my Paragon is diversity. I've met so many different people from so many different cultures. I have been taught certain words and different languages, and I've worked in smaller businesses, I've worked in big corporations, and coming here is the most diverse amount of people I've ever met. My Paragon is diversity. This is my Paragon.